been missing
Ayo, shorty, ayo, your mom,
I've been building up the blocks like a man. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy, he got it.
Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. We are actually about to get dressed and get ready to hit the New York streets again. Last night we were just a little bummed out because we didn't get a chance to do the cruise on the Hudson River, but it's okay. We got other stuff planned today. We're just gonna continue to move forward. If we were staying there today, we probably would have did a cruise. Like we leave Monday. If we would have stayed another day, we probably could have did the cruise Monday night. If we would have left Sunday, if that makes sense. So yeah, so we're finna just get dressed. Enough with the rambling. It's like 4, no, not 4, y'all. It's like 7:48. It is 7:48 right now. So we're about to just get dressed and I come back on when we're doing something. I come back on when we're heading to our next location. I'm done working.
I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the roller two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. I killed the ball.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to Summit. Y'all, so this line is so wrapped. We did not think the line was this freaking long. We were about to leave and go to Zara, and we just decided to ask the lady. We was like, "You think we need her?" She was like, "Yeah." She didn't let us finish the sentence. She was like, "Yeah, just going over that way." So yeah, you excited about Summit? Yes. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now, y'all. How long you think? It's gonna be really pretty. Yeah, it is. How long you think the attraction is? Oh, okay. So, back.
Bitch like pen, make me do. Take it, hit and kill. If I don't turn to the throw away all of my shit. Spittle, and take up no little. I don't run the fumes on the little. Everything spawn, gotta kill. Ride with a bitch in my cup. About to dress a bitch, jump it, then cup. About to feature my pistol with a dime. About to pull up on you, hold my brother.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. Wanna keep trying to ignore the evidence. I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the roller two-tone like the president. Ain't been no back and forth ever since. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the roller two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
We're so excited. Oh, y'all, this shit is bright. Look at them last.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sip, you know.
Y'all are so fucking bright. Oh, okay. It is so bright. So bright.
I don't care what no bitch said. I stay on her mind. I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me. Who say that you can't hold? That nigga a munchin', he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass street, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my
Y'all, I don't scared to step on anything. In Summit, y'all. They gave us a little booty.
love tomorrow. Pocket shit. You would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachment. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just think.
$8 more, just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel, just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic, say fuck the niggas that you gave me with. That's just how I feel, just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic, just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel, just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic, turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel, just how I feel.
No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stove. No way, log one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to step on the damn floor. Oh no.
Cool, they wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all that night top ramen.
Yeah, a little something. A little something. I got me a little something. I'll show y'all once we get back. But yeah. So we're leaving Zara, huh?
I guess men is
Maybe so.
Something else
Yeah, I heard a lot of people go to Zara for their jewelry. I like stuff. I like the big earrings, y'all. This was Jazz talking about. I think it's cute, but I don't know. Jazz, you know, that's jazzy. She's talking about these, y'all. The gold one was cute. Now that girl, that's cute. You just simple. They both are cute. You just simple. You just like very simple stuff. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I think it's just so much beauty and simplicity.
That's your opinion. See me, I'm gonna put some rhinestones and some bedazzle and zazzle it up. You just said no. Huh?
Everybody.
And everybody got them in New York. Every store we go in, Jazz like,
I hate the big freaking revolving doors.
Alright, here we are. Yeah. Okay, I think you had want to go to Sephora and then we can go to Washington. Yeah, we're gonna have to cross. Yo, I was struggling to get to get my clothes back on. This fitted, but baby, it's tight. It is so freaking tight.
That ain't Madison Square. Madison Square is 20 minutes away.
Well, I don't know what that is, y'all. My bad. You wanna go this way since they crossing, and then we cross over? She's gonna get left, baby. We gotta move. In New York, you gotta move. So, and then we just gonna get on this corner. I said, you get left, or you gotta move in New York. I thought Sephora is on this side.
It is, but it's on that side back there, ain't it?
No, Sephora is straight down, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think Summit is
it's on this side.
Yeah. Look, I bet they thighs and they calves scroll. And this is like everywhere we go, they have like a person like actually pedaling like a bike, and then they have like a little, I almost call it a carousel, but it's like a little seating area in the back where they can take people. Yeah.
Like a horse and carriage without the horse.
Yeah, horse and carriage without the horse. So yeah. So we just had this to support. It smells good too. So that don't smell good. Y'all, my toe hurt.
Yeah, we gonna freeze tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some gloves, cause yeah, that ain't gonna do it. Some gloves.
Oh yeah.
I might have to give me some gloves, cause that ain't gonna do it for me.
I think I'm gonna need to give me a little hat.
A little hat.
The glove set.
Yeah.
Cause that wind knocking in my ears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus, my
I'm
toe.
going in here with a plan. I'm only buying that one thing.
Huh? I'm trying to hold on. Oh, there you go. Jazz, what you say? You come here with a plan?
One thing.
Y'all know she lying.
Persuade.
Y'all know she lying.
Nothing else.
Y'all got to know she lying.
What's Steve mad at? I need to go back.
Oh, so you trying to do some damage.
Oh, look, right in the front.
Y'all, she was talking about this lip kit. Is that everything you was talking about?
This, it's 3 different kinds.
Was it a scrub or something you was?
Yeah, I got the scrub.
Yeah, the scrub. It is. They got gift sets out, y'all. I thought it was this that everybody was talking about here. I really want to know what it smells like, because all they do is rave about it. It smells like Avon lotion. You could have flipped it. It's okay. I'm gonna get it. It's okay. I'm gonna get it.
And that don't smell good either.
You know, I ain't even gonna open it. It ain't open already. I don't know. Like, I be seeing people brag on this, but to me, this it smells like it ain't all that smelling to me. I don't know if it's moisturizing or not. But y'all don't come for me. This is Prada to everybody. And I swear, this smells... Y'all, this Prada one, I be telling people this smells just like the My Way, the Giorgio Armani. I think that's how you say it. This smells just like it to me. Did it have the Giorgio Armani? I want you to smell it. They probably don't even have it in stock. But this smells just like it. Because I was going to buy this when it came out, and then I smelled it, and I'm like, wait, it smells like something I have. I be seeing people talking about this. I don't know if it's I don't know, y'all. Perfumes, I'm very particular. No? It's a no.
It's a no-no.
What Chanel you told me? Which they ain't got nothing in here anyway.
It looked like it, right?
The Chance.
No, it's not.
You said the green one, huh?
It says thanks.
You said the green one, though.
Yeah.
This replica that everybody be talking about, I don't know which one it is, but it's clearly different scents. I don't know. I don't know. Open it up. I want to see what it looks like, the little bottle. You said this is a mask? Oh, that's clear mask. Okay. And it's clear? Get another one. Y'all look keep rocking.
We just gonna get another one.
Yeah, just get another one. I would just
when I told you that lady stuff, this is it.
the Joe Malone.
Yes.
Which one though? Y'all know? Oh, the
honeysuckle.
Honey.
Hold on. It was honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle right here. You like it? Go air it out. No? Yeah, nay? Y'all know what you think?
I don't know.
I don't like it. It goes some Fenty.
Now that I have just that scent in my nose and not that scent in the... Oh, I have this one. And I have...
What is it? Oh, lips?
The Fenty matte velvet lip or something like that.
Okay.
And I have this one.
Okay.
I got the one she wore at the Super Bowl and then...
Okay. Oh, it's the rest of us. So I was wondering, I'm like, what the rest of us?
Hey, my dear, did anybody help you today?
No.
No. And do you need a bag?
No, I'm gonna just chunk it in there.
So, the total is $27.20.
I love Louis, but there's no room in here.
Okay. so much.
Thank you.
Do you prefer your receipt by email, printed?
Can I get it printed, please?
Yeah. Here you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You do the same. But yeah, y'all, we heading to UGG because she wants to get like some UGG cleaner to get the stain on her boots. So that's what we heading to now. Y'all, we in UGG right now. UGG. Girl, when did UGG start getting like loungewear? Okay, UGG. I said, when they start getting loungewear? It may be, cause this is cute.
UGG and Kim K
Did like a collab?
Yeah.
Cause this is cute. What y'all think? This is cute. Y'all, I'm just looking for anything with some chocolate or nude. I feel like my style is like revolving. Cause I love anything with like a chocolate. But I know for a fact my breast is not gonna fit in them little triangles. Okay, yeah, this is more like it.
Right there.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make.
Oh, we at the Washington Arch. So big. Ugh.
Where do we go? Yeah, he's really big. It's like a lot of.
Y'all, the sun is not in our favor right now, but this is cute. It's so nice, y'all. You are pull down my hair. It's so pretty.
April should be okay to play sports. So 5 months. This is the part that in I Am Legend that Will Smith was right now. Oh, really?
Is that what?
It's the pigeon lady off of Home Alone. That's
World, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't.
Alright, y'all, so we're in the car. We're finna actually head to Pink Taco for some lunch, and then we're gonna go to a few more stores. But y'all, we are starving because we really didn't eat breakfast. Like, we had like a coffee and I think what they call it, a cinnamon cigar. So we had that. It really like it's like a big cinnamon roll though, y'all. They just made it fancy with the name, but that's all we had. So we're hungry now. We're gonna head to Pink Taco. Yeah, I hope it gives though, cause I'm hungry. But I'm like a taco eater. I love taco. I do a chicken taco, beef taco, brisket taco, steak taco. Yeah, taco. I'll ride by you. No worries.
I love your vibe.
Thank you.
Are we okay with that table in the
That'd
middle?
be fine. Yeah, that'd be fine.
You recording me?
I am. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, this be fine. Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. So y'all, we're at the Pink Taco. We're gonna give that a go. We are starving. Starving. He said he's gonna get us the brunch menu, so I don't know what I want. At this point, anything, because I'm hungry. Hungry. Ugh. Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you. Hungover brunch. So we finna figure out what to eat, y'all, and I'll come back on probably when we got our food, our drinks or something, because we starving. Y'all, we done finally, no, we done made it. Me and Jazz are destroying these. I don't know, we hungry. The chips, perfectly salty. Huh? We hungry. Y'all, we've been missing a fish. We've been fucking with chips. Like, starving. That's in front of the screen, I ain't even see it.
Oh.
That's it, yeah.
That good?
Oh my God. I got a frozen, I think a strawberry something. No, I got a frozen strawberry margarita. It looks so fancy, y'all. Looks so fancy. Oh, we just got our food. Oh shit, don't let it fall. So that don't look good. I got like the Baja shrimp grill. And of course you said the rice and the beans kind of come with it. What you got over there, Jazz?
Steak and cheese. Once again, it's plain. And some Mexican rice.
Like, y'all, Jazz is picky. Like, I thought I was a picky eater. And got shit on Jazz. What you over there eating? Shrimp and what? No, steak and what? Y'all, she already picking shit out her food. Alright, y'all, we just love pink taco. Y'all, I didn't realize how spicy mine was, y'all. Like, I finished the first taco and my lips was on fire. Jazz didn't like her food.
My second tacos were good though.
Oh, you like the second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The first one she did not. She wasn't fucking with it. She was like, no. But yeah. So we finna head to Foot Locker really quick, and then we probably gonna go back to Forever 21. Well, that's what we are right now. Oh Jesus. Y'all, we gotta go back to Forever 21 because we got a helicopter ride tonight, and baby, the way this wind blowing right now, just add a freaking helicopter to it and some wind and in the air. No,
And my back naked, like.
Oh yeah, her back naked. She bare, out here bare. So, oh, Jesus. I hope they have the shoes I want, cause I'm not gonna look all over. I'm gonna give effort one time and that's it. I want the New Balances that's coming out, the 3060, 9060, something like that. 9060. Don't even know what the fuck I want, but I know what I see them. So, yeah. Everybody playing home? No. Girl, that's that gang with them tops, with them caps. Y'all, she said kids and women. Y'all hear it run to the kids' size. They don't finna play. Y'all, we just left out of Forever 21 warmer than where we came. We done went and got a scarf. I know I got a scarf, gloves, hat. That's what we doing now. But we ready for the night.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drawn, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, could use a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, and these nigga counterfeit. You don't pull up on the L, pussy boy, you get ill. I bought a brand new drop.
Baby. Okay.
Y'all won't believe this shit till y'all see it, for real. Cause we did our big one on this one.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Bong, your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead jugger there, fine, fine, oh, bucket there, watch your love for like it, why not more there, your body, chakare, push it ready, yeah, imade.
Lean on me. Look, y'all. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, I thought I was a daredevil. The way that wind, the way that air did my hair, y'all, I still ain't flattening it out. I need a whole hot comb. I look like something off a Halloween movie. Y'all, I had to put my hair in a claw clip. Cause it's on one side it's tangled bad, like it's wrapped around itself. Y'all, my feet is frozen. Y'all, my eyelashes going straight back. Huh? Y'all, I just want some heat. Y'all. Yeah, I think I got footage where my nose is just like, it was fun, don't get me wrong, but pull your hair up. Pull your hair up, and yeah, just pull your hair up, because I want to have 30 inches and 28 inches, and my hair slapping Jazz, and Jazz is on the other side of the helicopter, so yeah.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Let me get too deep in these skin and go. I might put me in miss a bitch or both. They look great, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers.